Hey there, welcome to today's video on credit cards. Whether you are about to head off to college or you are starting your first job, credit cards can play a big role in your financial life. They can help you build credit, which is important if you want to get a loan or a mortgage in the future. However, credit cards can also be tricky to navigate, especially if you're new to using them. That's why in today's video, we are going to go over 6 common mistakes that many people make with credit cards. By avoiding these mistakes, you can use credit cards responsibly and build good credit habits. So, let's dive in. One of the most common mistakes that people make with credit cards is not paying off their full balance each month. When you carry a balance on your credit card, you are essentially borrowing money from the bank, and they'll charge you interest on that balance. This can add up quickly and end up costing you a lot of money in the long run. To avoid these extra charges, it's important to always pay off your full balance each month. This means that you'll only be charged for the purchases you made, and not any additional interest. If you can't pay off your full balance, at least try to pay more than the minimum payment each month to avoid getting charged additional interest. Remember, credit cards are a tool to help you build credit and manage your finances, but you need to use them responsibly to avoid getting into debt. Always pay off your full balance each month to avoid getting charged extra money, and you'll be on your way to building good credit habits. Another mistake that people often make with credit cards is applying for too many cards at once. While it may be tempting to sign up for every credit card offer that comes your way, this can actually hurt your credit score. Each time you apply for a credit card, it triggers what's called a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many hard inquiries in a short period of time can lower your credit score, making it harder for you to get approved for loans and credit in the future. To avoid this, only apply for the credit cards you really need. Consider what features and benefits are most important to you, such as cashback or travel rewards, and choose a card that aligns with your needs. Additionally, try to space out your credit card applications so that you don't have too many hard inquiries at once. One of the biggest mistakes that people make with credit cards is spending too much. While it may be exciting to use your credit card for everything, it's important to keep your spending under control. If you spend too much on your credit card and don't pay off your balance, it can lower your credit score. This is because of credit utilization, or the amount of credit you are using compared to your total credit limit, is a major factor in determining your credit score. If you use too much of your available credit, it can signal to lenders that you are a high-risk borrower and lower your score. To avoid this, it's important to keep your spending under control and not go over your credit limit. Try to limit your credit card spending to what you can afford to pay off each month, and keep an eye on your credit utilization ratio to ensure it stays below 30%. Remember, credit cards are a tool to help you manage your finances and build credit, but you need to use them responsibly. Missing credit card payments is a mistake that can cost you a lot of money and hurt your credit score. When you miss a payment, you can get charged late fees and your interest rate may go up. Additionally, late payments can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, making it harder for you to get approved for credit in the future. To avoid missing payments, it's a good idea to set up automatic payments or reminders. Many credit card companies offer the option to set up automatic payments, where they'll deduct the minimum payment or full balance from your bank account each month. Alternatively, you can set up reminders on your phone or calendar to ensure you don't forget to make your payments. Remember, making your credit card payments on time is crucial for maintaining a good credit score and avoiding unnecessary fees. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you don't miss any payments and stay on top of your finances. Another mistake is not checking your credit card statements. It's important to check statements regularly to make sure there aren't any mistakes or fraudulent charges. Mistakes can happen, and sometimes fraudsters may use your credit card information to make unauthorized purchases. If you don't catch these errors right away, they can add up and cause you to pay more than you actually owe. To avoid this, be sure to check your credit card statements every month. Look for any unfamiliar charges, and if you see something that doesn't look right, report it to your credit card company right away. Many credit card companies have fraud protection programs in place, but you need to be vigilant and report any suspicious activity as soon as possible. Remember to check your credit card statements regularly to manage your finances and prevent fraud. Review each statement every month and report any suspicious charges immediately to avoid financial losses. Many credit cards offer rewards for using them, like cashback or points for travel. These rewards can be a great way to earn some extra money or save on your next vacation, but only if you use your credit card responsibly and take advantage of them. One mistake that many people make is not using their credit card rewards. If you don't redeem your rewards before they expire, you'll miss out on the benefits that your credit card has to offer. To avoid this, it's important to keep track of your rewards. When using your credit card, be sure to make purchases that you can afford to pay off each month. This will help you avoid going into debt and paying interest charges. Additionally, keep track of your rewards balance and be sure to redeem them before they expire. In conclusion, we've covered 6 common credit card mistakes to avoid. These include not paying off your full balance, applying for too many credit cards, spending too much on your credit card, missing payments, not checking your credit card statements, and not using your credit card rewards. It's important to be responsible with your credit cards and use them wisely to build good credit habits. By paying off your balance in full each month, only applying for the cards you need, keeping your spending under control, setting up automatic payments or reminders, checking your statements regularly, and using your rewards before they expire, you can avoid many of the pitfalls that come with credit card use. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Remember, managing your credit cards is an important part of your financial health, so be sure to use them wisely and build good credit habits for the future.